Hi friends, in this video I will show you easy and quick way to enable or disable developer options or mode in any Android phone. Let's get started.
Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan.
Here you will see build number. If you can't find build number here, then simply search for build number.
Credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power.
Once you reach to build number now, simply tab build number 7 times. This will enable developer options on your Android phone.
I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop.
As you see now, developer options is enabled on my Android phone. Through this easy way, you can enable or disable developer options in any Android phone. If you find my video helpful, then do subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching.